Okay guys, to finish this video off, this hill I'm going down now is a pretty steep hill. It might not look like it on camera, but it is. I'm on the plus side of 115 kilograms, and what I can tell you is on the M365 or the M365 Pro, I cannot even make it up 20 or 30% of this hill. You get around the corner and you basically stop straight away due to my weight, yeah, and obviously lack of power in those scooters. With the Mantis Lite Plus 800 watt single drive motor in that model, which I've been driving for about 2 months, I'm well used to that. And what I do know is that I can go up this hill 9 miles per hour will be the slowest speed, and that's GPS on the GoPro GPS as well. So I want to try this one against that. This is dual 800 watt motor, so in theory this should have double the power to the Lite Plus, but I know it doesn't. If you put this in single motor mode, it doesn't have anywhere near the amount of power that the Lite Plus has. However, you put it in dual motor mode, it's got a lot more power. So I'm very happy with this scooter. Anyway, here we go. This is in single motor mode, so only one motor, and I've only ridden this once yesterday. I only received this Mini yesterday, but I can already say in single motor mode, although it should be 800 watt the same as the Lite Plus, it has nowhere near the amount of power. I'm full throttle now, speed 3 in single motor mode, so that's rear wheel drive only. As you can see, I don't even know if this is going to make it. Okay, yeah, we will make it, but like I said, on the Lite Plus I can get up here, lower speed. Just in front of us is the steepest point here. I think I go down to 9 miles per hour on GPS, and on this obviously hell of a lot slower. But I'm going to go back down the hill and we're going to try it in dual motor mode to see the difference. Right, so we're back down the bottom of the hill. Now we're going to turn around. We don't want any run up, we want to make it as fair as possible, but then again it's such a sharp turn here, you don't really get a run up anyway. So speed mode 3, same as before, but this time we're on 2 motors, dual motor, front and back. So I'm not accelerating hard yet, I'll wait till I need to. Okay, here we go. So what I'm hoping is that I can get well above 9 miles per hour. That's what I used to get on the Lite Plus, single 800 watt drive. I can already tell this is a lot quicker. Okay guys, that's about it for this video. A lot more content coming soon. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want notifications when I upload new content. See you later.